Morning everyone, welcome to lockdown day 4. Jess is in the shower. I'm going to make breakfast and I thought I'd show you what I get up to, as it's a quick and easy recipe you guys can most probably replicate at home. Just note that this is not our recipe. Jess actually saw this on one of 𝘠𝘪𝘴's vlogs, so we're just putting our own little twist or showing you how we would make it. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to make a 2-egg omelette with cheese and sweet corn. We had gem squash filled with sweet corn last night, so all you need is your cheese, sweet corn, milk or milk alternative, and some spices, and obviously your eggs. So how I prepare my eggs is I crack them into a glass or a cup or whatever, and then add some milk and the spices beforehand, mixing them up. Make sure my pan's heated up probably for about 2 to 3 minutes, so that it's nice and hot. When you throw in the omelette, it starts hitting immediately.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe 2. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind.
So once I poured it in, I added the filling, and then I just covered it up to help it cook a bit quicker. Okay, so it's been about 1.5 minutes. The egg almost looks set. Maybe leave it on for 30 seconds, depending on how you like your egg. If you want, you can flip it and eat it as is, but Jess likes her egg quite hard, so we're just going to leave it up for 30 more seconds and it should be ready to go.
And leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day.
So that's it. Probably took me around 10 minutes to prepare those 2 omelettes. Nice, quick and easy, and I hope you enjoy.
Did you make breakfast for us?
Breakfast.
Breakfast! Ooh, this looks good. Did you mention that we saw it on 𝘠𝘪𝘴's video?
Yes, I did.
She gave me the idea, or us the idea. So now we're gonna... Let me take a bite. I just showered and like scrubbed my whole body and shaved and washed my hair. That's an achievement, baby. Your eggs are so fluffy. Like, oh my goodness.
I think the little bit of milk or milk alternative gives it that bit of fluff.
Mmm. Oh my goodness. We love sweet corn. If you love sweet corn, comment down below. We need to think now what we are gonna make for dinner, because we need to take out the meat. Are you thinking? Should we make a bread with butternut soup?
That sounds good.
Oh no, you're gonna make your pineapple chicken.
Yeah.
Pineapple chicken.
That's
Just
alright.
assemble it. We can show you guys the pineapple chicken.
Do we have the necessary? Do we have a sweet and sour sauce?
I can make one for you.
I think we need one.
I think I can make one. Because remember, the sweet and sour is going to come from the pineapple.
It's also true.
So, so we can make it.
Tomorrow, I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before, in every shape. There's a million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear. Oh, tomorrow's near. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Guys, Bren has been editing. I'm vlogging for my channel today, and I'm gonna cut my hair right now. So if you want to see how I cut my hair, I'll link my video down below. Are you cutting my hair?
Trying to.
So you know you love someone if you trust them with your hair. There? Honey for my honey. And I'm washing my makeup brushes while we are doing a live. Look at that water, it looks filthy. Seesaw! Look at all of these brushes. All of these brushes. Sometimes you have to recall clips.
Pineapple chicken mark.
Pineapple chicken.
Ja, soos rys en hoender en so in Thailand doen jouself maar besig hou.
Bren is on a WhatsApp call with one of his friends and busy prepping dinner for us. I'm heating up some leftover soup from the other night, and I thought before it goes bad and before we have to throw it away, I'm gonna take it to the security guard at the gate so that he can have something nice and warm to eat. It's like quite cold outside and very overcast, so I think I'm gonna run up to the gate quickly and have like literally 2 minutes of fresh air, because I haven't been out. We haven't been out in like a couple of days, not even standing on the patio. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I think he would like that very much. I'm obviously not gonna have like physical contact with him. I'm just gonna like hand it to him, and hopefully he enjoys it. Hello.
How are you?
Fine, and you? I've got some soup for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Enjoy.
Thank you very
It's a
much.
pleasure.
Thank you.
Ek het gesprint. Hallo. Ek het gesprint.
Wat het jy gedoen?
Ons het 'n bietjie leftover sop gehad wat sy ma vir ons gemaak het, en sy het redelik baie vir ons gegee. Wag, laat ek eers my hande sanitize.
Sy het dit vir die wag ingegee.
Wow, okay.
So toe ek dit warm gemaak en net dat kan hy bietjie iets warms eet, shame.
Ja, shame. Ek moet sê, jy nogal dit is, en soos die ergste vir my is buite drin wat jy sê, jy kan net gou vanaf, jy weet net gerang gaan eet, of net vir 'n bietjie winkels te gaan. Op hierdie oomblik wat hy die meeste soos interesseer is, ek wil graag sien hoe beter is dit al buite. Soos ek wil sien hoe lyk dit so dolleer.
Ja, ek het vir Bren gesê ek wil die drone vlieg.
Nee?
Ek wil sien
Nee,
hoe
jy
lyk
moet
dit.
dit sien, dit is ghost town.
Julle kan dit doen van julle af.
Ja, maar wat gaan hulle afneem? Het gaan ons nog
Kan jy asseblief vir ons drone footage kry?
Maar hoe ver gaan die drank nie so ver vlieg nie?
Nee, soos ek soek net drone footage van 'n leeupad. Verstaan jy wat ek sê?
Oh,
Ek verstaan.
moet jy dit nog afsny?
Sê hallo vir die vlog.
Ja.
Kan jy ooit my sien?
'n bietjie. Now video call, but we're pausing it quickly to show you guys what we have in the sauce. So I googled a sweet and sour sauce. It's ketchup, soy sauce. I have this Vital soy sweet and sour sauce, and then I just have aromat. Wat is nog binne? Pineapple. Yeah, and I think that's it.
Bietjie later kan jy Call of Duty speel. Done chatting.
Done chatting.
Let's get cooking.
Cooking.
Good looking.
Oh. So I made this little sauce while we were on the live with them. We literally paused for like 5 seconds so that I can just share with you guys. So what I basically did is I just took some of the pineapple chunks, some soy sauce, ketchup, and that's basically it. A little bit of water, some salt and pepper, aromat, and now we have tell us baby, tell us.
We made rice, chicken and gem squash last night. So this is all the leftover rice we've got. We're gonna
Add it in.
add some mixed veggies. How much?
All of it. Just add all of it.
Add everything.
Yes. Cooking with Jess and Bren. Okay, put on the stuff. You need to put it on.
Okay, and then we're gonna add some chicken to it, and we're gonna add some pineapple and a bit of egg. So we're
Mixed
making,
with dairy-free milk.
yeah, so it's egg fried rice basically with a pineapple chicken.
And the sweet and sour sauce. That's it.
We'll see how it comes out. We'll
Yes.
let you know.
We'll show you how it goes. So what I was saying in the previous vlog with the halloumi cheese is we like to trial recipes first before we share them. But this is the first time we're making this, ne, my lief?
Yeah, this is my favorite Thai dish from when we visited Thailand. We've done a few tom kha gai soups since we've been back, but this is the first time we're going to try and replicate the pineapple chicken. So how they serve it is in the pineapple actually, but
You destroyed it.
yeah, and I wasn't not thinking. Didn't want the admin of cutting out the pineapple and then chopping it in and then throwing everything back in the pineapple. It's just gonna be a mess. So it's same effect.
Can you guys hear Come Dine With Me South Africa in the back? I love Come Dine With Me. Do you like it?
That's okay.
I love especially that one woman yesterday. The guy made malva pudding as a South African dessert.
But that wasn't Come Dine. That was Come Dine With Me
UK, but the guy was from South Africa. So he made malva pudding as a dessert, and this lady was like, so what's South African about this dessert? And he was like, it's a South African dessert. And she was like, so when they behind the scenes when they do the commentating or like comments, she was like, there's nothing South African about that plate.
Yeah, and he made like a Cape Malay curry, and she was like,
this is not South African.
Where's the South African in this? This is not South African. And
oh my goodness.
she's obviously, I don't know if she's been to South Africa or whatever, but she's obviously not South African. She sounds like she originates from
India maybe.
India or one of those countries.
Yeah. But it was just so funny. Every single dish he made boerewors and pap and sauce for a starter, and she was just like, this is not South African. And we were just like, what do you mean? Boerewors, pap and sauce, that's like the most South African meal you can possibly get. He made chakalaka. She was just like, this shakalaka is not the best. I'm just like, what the hell? But yeah, we love watching the South African one because it's kind of like familiar to us, but yeah, I don't even know what we did in this vlog. Bren and I said earlier that we feel like we are so repetitive, but I guess you guys want to see what we do every day.
And it's the same thing most of the time.
Cooking, cleaning.
Yes, I do the cooking.
Yes, I do the cleaning. We should film that TikTok tomorrow.
We should get some water in here.
Okay. Some water.
So the rice is starting to fry.
But you need, when that water is a little bit evaporated, you need to add the
Egg.
The egg.
Yeah, I just want to cook the veggies a bit.
Okay,
We don't
chef.
want frozen veggies.
Okay, chef. Okay, chef.
Yes, chef is what you say.
Yes, chef. Can I add the egg for you? Can I add the egg?
Oh, okay.
No, not yet.
So I'm just scared the veg is not gonna be.
It's gonna cook eventually.
Okay, just try it.
Have you ever made egg fried rice?
Yes, I made you egg fried rice once.
I've never made it.
I don't know if it was any good.
This is good. This looks good.
So the trick is you need to fold the egg in.
Do you need to fold?
Fold it in.
Show us how you fold.
Not to fold it in. With the shoulders. So that you've got, you push the air inside.
Is it?
So it's nice and fluffy egg.
This thing is annoying me.
You need to make sure the egg is nice and fluffy and fold it in. Okay, so once the egg starts setting, becomes a bit firm, you add the pineapple.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef. What we want to do is we want the pineapple to cook through so the sweetness goes through the rice. I actually feel we should have added the pineapple before the egg.
Why?
I don't know, just a
That's
hint.
a shitload of pineapple.
It's just a hunch. Well, it's
That's
a whole pineapple.
A lot of pineapple.
We could have had some pineapple left over tomorrow to snack on.
Do you want to take it out?
Now it's egg covered pineapple. It looks like it's working.
But you're literally going to cook your phone and you need to put it on the... This is off button here.
I'm taking it off the heat every now and again.
I get you, I get you.
I think the heat's too much.
You look so sexy in the kitchen.
I look sexy everywhere.
Wait, you can't see your face. You're so tall.
You're so short, bro.
You're so tall.
So short.
Can't see your face.
Okay. Add the chicken for me, please.
Yes, chef.
And just like the bones that side.
Yes, chef.
So that you know the chicken's nice and heated up. And then we'll add the sauce in a few minutes. So that can cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then the meal should be ready.
Yes. So excited. Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning.
So it's important before the sauce is in that you continuously stir your mix, otherwise it's gonna burn.
Look at the cute cup I got from GHD.
Oh, that's cool.
It's like a proper when you go camping again. It's plastic on the inside, so it's probably gonna keep the heat. Look how cool.
It's just quite unfortunate that we received it in a time when we can't really travel.
Yeah.
Angela, I'll take you to the bathroom and you can travel with your mug.
A genuinely welcoming and warm person.
Long romantic strolls to the bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna watch Come On With Me.
Do you think we can add the sauce and let it simmer for a while?
We forgot to mention that I put one of these stock cubes in the sauce.
From Knorr.
Yes.
Knorr bietjie.
Ek gaan jou maak knor as jy dit eet. And then we're gonna add this sausage. Now I'm getting the sauce.
I know to give tips from other nightclub owners in China.
So Patrice, tell us, what do you actually do for a living?
So Jess is just stirring or folding the sauce in.
You fold.
And
Oh.
once it's nice and spread out, we're just going to leave it to simmer for 5 minutes. Then our dish should be ready to eat.
Bon appetit!
Okay guys, so that is sweet and sour egg fried rice, chicken and pineapple by Jess Bren. Let's quickly have a taste. It's really good. So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. And if you're still keeping safe, looking after yourselves, we'll see you in the next one.